Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. I am here with my another video and welcome back to my YouTube channel Footwear Fashion Palace, and I'm here with my another video, and my other video is about some heels, different length of heels in really beautiful designs and really different color combinations that looks really amazing and really pretty. And as you see, this a very beautiful kind of color that looks really nice and amazing. And as you see, this heel also looks really nice, very beautiful and a very different kind of heel. And elevate your style and confidence with our stunning heels designed to make you feel like a queen. Step into sophistication with our sleek and stylish heels, perfect for any occasion. Take your shoe game to new height with our bold and daring heels designed to make a statement. So today's video is about to end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon, and bye bye, and take care, and don't forget to